scale through, and hopefully all of this that is happening in the Middle East gets to a halt, and then we get back to normal life, maybe even better.
Okay.
Nigeria should be having a very upper hand, safe, because now Brent cruise price don't go up, crude price don't go up. We're supposed to get more money because like 4 weeks or 5 weeks ago, it used to be.
Is hiding your income from your partner deception or self-protection? So let's go on a short break while you digest that, and we'll be back in a minute. Marriage. Hiding your income is simply deception, plain and simple. So where do you stand? Is it wisdom or is it dishonesty? Now we have two questions of the day. So the first question of the day is financial transparency necessary in relationships? Can marriage truly thrive where there are financial secrets? Does hiding income protect you or simply destroy trust? Are you building security or simply
it's not even about social media matter. The fact that
no, because she's vast, she's in that world. She sees a lot and she hears a lot. So let me ask you, Esther, so what's your opinion when it comes to finance in marriage?
Thank you for that beautiful question.
Is it in marriage now?
Relationship, yes. We need to be very specific. Okay, thank you for that beautiful question. Thank you for all the hypes, I know. Anyways, money is a very, very sensitive conversation to have in relationship or in marriage.
Okay.
Sorry now that everything they bought, was in the man's name and not in the woman's name. So even when they needed money, to take care of her, maybe she would have lived. I personally have issues with when, you have a death that would have been prevented, and then you just allow people to die like that. That's a very bad thing, because we're talking about protection. You had a life, and before you met me, that's one thing. I keep saying this all the time. You had a life. Did you not have a life? Yeah, so I think it's about wisdom, especially with this kind of story. People should be able to understand that you have to being transparent is okay, but it has a limit, because we're dealing with humans. We're dealing with humans here.
And human being can be very
anybody
selfish.
can change anytime.
Yes.
When you talk of an eye, you can see somebody who has been preaching love and all of that, just a switch in seconds, and that's the end. And now we're looking at somebody who has helped somebody to build a business and a life
from the scratch. And I understand now. I see why a lot of women are very scared to support their husbands.
Don't talk about a lot of men. Talk about you.
A lot of women.
You.
I should talk about me.
Talk about you. Don't talk about a lot of women. Yes. Are you scared?
Okay. See, to be very honest,
how much be the biggest money we don't give your man?
Your partner? You want me to tell you how much I don't give man?
Yes.
I don't give man my money,
Don't say it on air. So that you don't get for someone to
see, there are ways that I can take care. There are ways that I can take care of my man. I don't have to.
Other than giving him money.
Yes, I can buy him gifts. I can show my man affection, care for him, but
and do all of that, but not money. Cash. You don't give him cash, even if he requests. You don't.
If he requests, is borrow, and they has to. I cannot carry like huge amount of money. You go give me back, oh. You go give me back. I cannot carry huge amount of money and say I want to lend, I want to borrow you or even dash you. My love no reach that one, no.
Oh really?
No.
No. To our listeners, so remember the studio lines remain 0906099 2609 0704 1007949. You can send us a message on WhatsApp 09158494949. Let me take that over again. You can call us and contribute. You can join this conversation on 09 partner 100%. Why then do you go into something like marriage when you know you cannot be open fully when it comes to money? Somehow I feel some people.
Okay, we have a call. We have a call.
Okay.
Let's take this call. Hello. 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 Can you hear us? Probably have to call back.
Hello. Please call back. We are still here and we would love to hear from you. So remember, tonight's topic is hiding your income from your partner. Is it deception or is it self-protection? So now I feel, this is just my 2 cents, that some people get into marriage, with damage or transferred aggression. Perhaps it's something
Childhood
they've experienced,
trauma, yes.
and then they now come in and say, oh, I can't trust this person. So it's not as a result of the behavior of the person they are in a relationship with, but it's because of past experience. So that means you bring in garbage into the marriage. So what if the other person is transparent and one person is not transparent? What would you say in a situation like that? Is it fair?
The thing is, I think you shouldn't judge. You cannot use one person's experience to judge other people. Okay. When you are courting, I believe you courted the person before you guys got engaged and then you got married. And then now you're married, right? Okay. You use your experience to learn lesson. But that doesn't mean that because person A treated you badly, when you are with person B, at least. Hey guys, hey everyone, how are you all doing? It's your radio girl Esther Sunday. I've been trying to actually record from the stairs down, but my phone has just been misbehaving. I'm having storage problems, so we have a lot to catch up on, you guys. They don't lock us. Okay, we have a lot to catch up on. Let me tap my phone camera. We have a lot to catch up on, but I have to meet up with someone who gives me a free ride down home. I don't know if you can hear me. So I'm walking down to where the person is to pick me up. Yeah, so I'm going to do like a video when I get home or when I'm chanced. Now I'm beginning to feel shy because this guy is staring at me. But anyways, later. I have an appointment today with an entertainment brand that I'll be working with. So I'm just here. Actually, this is my second time coming to Agege. Well, with the way Agege was described, or with the way it has been portrayed on the internet by other people, Agege has really changed. Or maybe this is actually the new Agege. I'm sweating, you guys. The weather results and the fuel price in Nigeria right now is alarming. Trust me. So if you don't have anywhere important you're going to, please stay in your house. Yes, stay in your house. Okay, I also want to say thank you for 200 subscribers. If you do, I don't know why sometimes I don't want to sound like I am ungrateful, but thank you, 200 of you subscribe. We are like 1 year plus into this new YouTube channel. So let me show you the outview of where I am right now. This place is actually okay. The road is styled, very good. Yeah. So I'm waiting for the person that I have an appointment with to come. By the way, I'm not looking bad. There's an overhead bridge over there. There's an overhead bridge. Good. Okay. Here I am thinking I was late. Thank God I even came before the person, because I was actually thinking that I was late. Very late. I'm so tired.
Mega, 500.
Hi everyone, welcome to Souls Media Entertainment. I'm your favorite host, Esther Sunday. I'm live here at the movie premiere of The Return of Arinzo, and as you can see, we have beautiful people on the black carpet today. I have one of the most beautiful lady here with me. What's your name, beautiful lady?
Favor.
Favor. Such a pleasure to meet you. You look so good. You actually look like one of the cast, actually. Yeah. So nice to meet you. High five. All right, we have so much expectation for today's movie. Let me know if you've seen the movie The Return of Arinzo and what do you think about the movie. I'll catch you in time. Oh, they come here soon. Let's not that side.